Righteous on the beat.
What's going on, guys? For today's episode, we are going to be continuing the high intensity interval training workouts. Alright, so this is going to be the intermediate phase again, episode 2. We will be doing a full body circuit this time, alright? So it will be structured the same exact way we've been doing it. 1 minute stations all the way down. Once we finish all 6 stations, take that 2 to 3 minute break, get some water real quick, come back, do the second round, same thing, break, and then third round, done. Alright, so for our first exercise, we are going to be doing some dumbbell thrusters, alright? So check it out. For this one, you guys, again, remember you're picking up a weight that obviously is going to challenge you, but nothing too crazy, so you can make sure you're lasting through that minute. Alright, so we're going to hold it up top here, make sure our knees and our feet are pointed out. We're going to sit down at the bottom of our squat, keeping our chest up, back nice and straight. And from this position, we're going to generate all the momentum from the bottom of our squat, and we're going to thrust it up. Alright, so squatting down to the bottom, coming up, thrusting it up. Down to the bottom, thrusting it up. Alright, for that minute, give it everything you got, and that will be the first one, alright? Next one is going to be a split set, alright? So what we're going to do, 30 seconds one thing, 30 seconds the other, alright? So for the first part, we're going to be doing 30 seconds of explosive push-ups, alright? So what we're going to do, coming down into a push-up position, right here, once we come down to the bottom, you're going to explode up. Really try to get yourself up there, even get some air if you can. Once you come up to that 30-second mark, then we're going to go right into some push-up pulses, alright? So once we hear that, 3, 2, 1, into the 30-second mark, then we're coming down to the bottom, and we're going to finish that 30 seconds with some push-up pulses down at the bottom, now coming up, staying down there, and keeping the tension on our muscle, alright? So then once we finish that, 3, 2, 1, that will be the minute, then we're going to move it on to the next station. For number 3, we're going to be doing some seated knee tucks, alright guys? So check it out, we're going to be sitting down right here. What we are going to be wanting to focus on is really make sure we're trying not and moving our back, right? We really want to engage all that focus and tension onto our abdomen, making sure we're not using our back to get it in. So let's just go ahead. You're going to be seated right here. You're going to tuck those knees in, not moving our back, straight out, right back in, straight out. As little as movement as possible on the back, inwards and outwards. Alright, so once we do that, 1 minute, then we're moving on to the next one. Our fourth one, we're going to be doing some weighted squat jumps, alright guys? So exactly what it sounds like. You guys are going to grab some weight and we're going to do some squat jumps with it, alright? So grab your weight, make sure our feet and our knees are pointed out. Hips and butt is going to be sticking out while our chest and back is up. We're going to sit down at the bottom, and then from right here, generating all that momentum and jumping up. Squat down, jumping up, down, and up. Alright guys, so again, that one will be a little bit more difficult than all the other exercises, so grab a weight where again you can control, but it is going to challenge you, and that will be our fourth one. Our fifth one, we're going to be doing another split set, alright guys? So this time we're going to be doing 30 seconds of some incline chest pressing, and then we'll be doing 30 seconds of burpees, alright? So for the first one, again, we're going to lay it back, grab some weight that you know is going to challenge you, but obviously nothing too crazy. So once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, we're coming right into some incline chest presses. Boom, boom. Once we see the 30-second mark coming up, 3, 2, 1, into the 30-second mark, we're going to put our weight down, coming right into burpees. Jump it down, back up, down, and up. Alright, that will be our fifth one. And for our sixth and final station, we're going to be doing some Russian twists. Alright guys, so check it out. You guys are going to take your weight right here. What we're going to do is cross our feet, elevate them up in the air, and from this position, we're going to go ahead and start on one side of our hips, and we're coming up and over, up and over. Trying to bust out as many reps as we can while we're doing that 1 minute set. And after you guys finish that, then you guys would get a 2 to 3 minute break, get some water, come back, do it again, 2 more total rounds, and then you are done. Alright, so that is going to be it for today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys are tapping in with your boys, hit that subscribe button. And I got a bunch more new material on the way, a bunch more recipe videos, basketball videos coming up. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and until then, stay positive, be successful, keep dreaming big.